A tree often referred to as the king of the forest. What a majestic tree it is. Introducing Bagtikan Parashuria malaanunan of the family Dipterocarpaceae. The genus Parashuria is a combination of para, which means beside or near, and Shuria, referring to a genus of tropical hardwood trees. The name Malaanunan is derived from Tagalog mala, poles, and anunang, custard apple, and is a putative vernacular name for this species. Bagtikan is a large but trist evergreen tree from the Dipterocarp family. It has a cylindrical bole that grows up to 60 meters in height and 2 meters in diameter. Its wood is suitable for furniture, cabinetry, interior finish, flooring, ship and boat planking, mining timbers, paper making, veneer, and plywood. Its superior quality wood is known in the international market as white siraya. Bagtikan can be distinguished from the rest of the Philippine dipterocarps by having fruits with 5 persistent wings and leaves that are whitish underneath. Bagtikan or white siraya is often called the king of the forest. Its towering height and majestic form make it a focal point in the rainforest canopy. Moreover, it can live for more than 100 years, with some mature individuals reaching an age of up to 200 years. Furthermore, the tree is integrated into various cultural traditions in Southeast Asia, where some communities consider its wood sacred. This is Marx. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.